Hey guys, so we're gonna go on a walk now since Jerry
Okay.
got home.
You're looking. Well, hello everyone. I want to show you all something. To make Noah come, I'll go put it down right here. And watch this. And ta-da! There he is!
Hunter's dad just got off at 1 o'clock today because his shift has started at 8:30 and now he decided to get off early. I'm like, what? I'm like, that's cool. So we'll be out the door in a few minutes, so that's where we are now. So
Look at your hair.
Yeah, see you guys on the road. Hey guys, so we're gonna go on a walk now since Jerry got home at 1 o'clock after his morning shift was over.
Look
So,
at
yeah.
your hair.
So, yeah. So guys, my friend Hunter needs to text me at 12 every day. So, yeah.
Look at your hair. Watching something on YouTube. He's watching Elvis, but it's not a music thing. He's not playing any copyright music. It's just a video. That's all. Alright, we'll see you in a while.
A while later.
You know what, guys? Well, Noah, stay. Stay. Wait away. Well, that's loud. Well, at least I got an air horn right here. That's. It sounds like it's a higher pitch. It sounds like it's a higher pitch. Well, the pitch sounds high. Hey, leave it! Noah's trying to pull out his phone again. Leave it! Noah!
Bye.
No.
Hey guys, so
You
Hunter
wanna
just
put this
told me
ear horn to
several
your mouth?
times to turn on my music. So yeah, that's why
Where's-
that's
where
why
is
he
it
told me to
going
do
now?
that. So yeah.
Open. Go! Smell like air compressor? Plane. I see. Nope. You guys stay.
Alright, guys, I'm off.
No, you're not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Alright,
No,
guys.
it's not.
Shawn Mendes
No, you're
has
not.
breath
No,
young
you're
in
not.
5,
No, you're not.
4,
Nope.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Nope. Hey, leave it. No, no, it's not. You're not taking off. You gotta stay. Nope. Look at his hair. No, leave it. He actually made a copyright. I don't want any music playing in the background, Noah. Nope. You stay.
Oh, yeah.
What do I just say? What do I just say, Noah?
No copyright.
Hey, who cares? Alright, look at your hair. You got a shirt on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that bag.
I'll deal with it. Ugh. Gone.
Set kid over there. Yeah.
Okay, who?
Set kid over there.
That's KO, yeah.
Look. You can see them right there.
KO with the Carol.
What? I got a text from Abby. She received a heart.
Thanks, Abby.
Yep.
I want to say it.
No. I don't want anyone to bother my best friend Abby right now. She might be busy. I just gave her a hearts. That's all. No. Do you remember in what's it, like a month ago? It was my best friend Abby's name is Abby Jernigan. She has an Instagram, and yeah, I think I showed it to y'all, but yeah. She's going to college now because she graduated from my high school. So, but yeah, I already miss her already.
And unfortunately...
Oh, hold on, wait. Hey, Abby, if you're watching this, I miss you so much. Please come see me soon. And here's a heart for you, but, well, unfortunately, I had a tripod, so here's a heart. Here's a heart for you. So, yeah. Alright, anyways, back to Noah.
Anyways, guys, so Abby will be home from college next year. Probably like, I don't know. Probably like 4 to 5. I don't know.
You!
Anyways, I was just messing around. But, anyways.
There's a car? Noah! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! No, leave it. Put it in your pocket. Still out of my air horn, but yeah. You, Noah?
You're in a car.
There. There. Well, get out of the way, man. Oh, it's right. Look.
What?
Nothing. Look at these kids over there.
Looks like we're being separated again.
Nope. Nope. You stay. Noah! What are you doing?
Looks like we're being separated again.
No. Well, who wanted putting up mouth again? have not opened your mouth.
That's because I want to keep it shut.
No, leave it. You got something in your mouth. Thank you. Nope. Well, at least Noah just covered his ears, but his ears are not hurting at all. He just only covered his ears, that's all. Well, I was trying to put it in his mouth because I thought it was funny. Not into his ear though, but trying to put it in his mouth. In his mouth.
But I was saying, I was not trying to blow it into his ear. I was just trying to blow it into his mouth. Because I thought it was funny, by the way. His ear is not bleeding. He just only covers his ears. That's all.
Whoa, it looks like we're being separated.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Cars, trucks, cars, trucks, cars, trucks, cars.
Stop! Noah?
Cars, trucks, cars, trucks.
Just kidding.
Oh, looks like we're being separated. I'm gonna have to go ahead and go.
Guys, we just saw Waiter's car just got here. I'm like, what? She's over there now, so yeah. I did not know Waiter just got here. I don't know if she got here like a few minutes ago, but she just got here. Waiter just got here. That's why I was like, what?
Yeah, Leah's got here. Like, what?
No. Don't throw it away, Ghost. You know it's on video. Don't be doing it. What are you doing with that?
Walls.
No, don't you get through the windows. Okay, I thought I was gonna get that on video. Your mom might be able to see that.
Hey guys, so I was watching my video and then suddenly Hunter
That's not your video.
Hunter wanted to watch his videos that he created. But he wants to watch The Night to Shine 2026. And then
Sorry about the video was cut little. My dad had a phone call with my grandma, but my grandma was mad about something. But I don't know what's going on. Anyways, back to Noah.
Alright guys, sorry about that. Anyways, Noah, go ahead because I thought you said something. You want to say something else to the video. Alright, go ahead.
Hey guys, so we had to stop recording for a little bit because Hunter's dad wants us in the living room for something, and there was something going on, and I don't know why. But anyway,
It was my grandma was calling me.
yeah.
I mean, on my dad's phone.
So yeah, it was Hunter's grandmother who just called on his daddy's phone. So I don't know what's going on because it was about stuff. So yeah.
And she was fussing about I don't know her husband or her, I don't know,
Maybe
well,
Erica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm like, she's always gets mad. Well, Erica always gets mad. I'm like, why? What's
Yeah.
going on with her?
Yeah. Well, guys, back to where we started. So me and Hunter, we were watching The Night to Shine 2026. So yeah. So and Mia was on the video Mia was on the video and Hunter was there. So on that year. So yeah. That's why I was like, cool. Yeah. Well, guys, we better head out the door now. So we'll see you out there.
Alright, guys, we're outside now. But again, I don't know what's going on with my grandma. Because she says she was kind of a bit mad with Erica right now, but I don't know what's going on. But anyways, I don't know what's going on. So anyways, we're continuing on. So we're outside and no, good stuff. What are you doing?
Trying to go slow. Hold on.
Noah?
Gotta go up there again. guys. We're good.
I still had to sing air horn. You want to put it in your mouth again. Excuse you. Whoa. Oh, that was very loud. Noah, what do I just say? Nope. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Noah was just trying to play music during copyright, but I don't want him to play copyright because it could cause copyright issues on YouTube. Anyways, is that Abby or Rob coming back? Nope.
Neighbors.
Whoops. I did that by accident. Whoops.
We still learning about life.
Wait, when you honk like to this person.
Go home.
Got it.
And another person. How about you honk at that guy?
No, that's my neighbor.
And another car.
Like really? Whoa. Jump. Wait.
I dare you to honk at that neighbor.
No. Hey. He's gay. I'm gonna do it.
You're clean.
She won't even notice and though I had an air horn out.
Sorry
Who are you saying sorry to?
to that guy.
I don't know. No, Noah! You stay. No, put it away. Stop. No. You know.
Babe.
Alright guys, we got an officer just came home. No. The officer just got home, so yeah, it's really cool. Everyone used to love seeing the officer all the time. So yep. You see the neighbors over there. They like to know where we were behind it now. No, there's a car. What? Slow down. Is that the lady who got mad at her ear? I don't know. As you can see those neighbors right there up there. We're catching up. No! Slow down. No! Slow! Oh! I hit it too. Dang, sorry about that, guys. No! Slow down! Oh, I'm going over. Okay. Where are you guys? No. Let's not get too close to them, okay? Because they can easily find out. You want me to blow it to your mouth? Oh no. No, don't run. Oh yeah. Let's try to go. Oh! Yeah. No. You can't be crossing the road.
We can go straight. We got time.
No. No, you can't be going speed. We might catching up.
I got this.
No. Alright. Noah, get back over here. No! Oh! See that? There goes these guys over there.
She thinks this dude is blowing horns like crazy. And she thinks we were following them. So why would she thinking about that?
Ugh.
My lady.
Run.
Do you want to blow it to your mouth?
No.
Look. Open. Open. No.
Hey guys, so we were out on a walk, and yeah, I did walk, but we're good. Alright guys, Mamila's gonna be here for a few minutes, so I want to go in for one more drink, then I'm out. Bye! Bye guys!
Say, wait, don't forget to.
That's all we have for today. Please subscribe to Hot Boys channels, like, bell, thumbs up, turn on all notifications. We will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.
Peace out. Alright guys, here goes Noah. Going home. Alright. He's gone. He already hit home. Let's go, my mini air horn. Let's do it, have some fun.